What's good, everybody? It's Austin, Boston. Today I got this air horn. We're gonna be shooting it off on the train, the New York City subway. Let's go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to smash that like button, share it with all your friends, subscribe for more if you're not. Leave me a comment, tell me how family friendly and educational this video was so we don't get demonetized. And don't forget to turn your post notifications on so you don't miss a new video, if that even works anymore. It's been real, YouTube. I'll catch you guys on the next one. It's Austin, Boston. Doses.